Hello to all. We're doing some small project that I was gonna the like the this one is a thread bullet or a threaded OLED that is being used for wastewater system, water treatment, steam pitting, or the gas pitting. So let's start working. Let's choose the prompt plane, sketch, and then draw a circle. Then check with the document properties. Units is in inch. Okay. And then measure it or put a dimension that is 1 inch. Let's do some 1 inch or something like half inch. I like the half inch, more smaller. And then regenerate and click the save button and get out of the dialog box. Oh, it will be 65.65. Sorry, 65. Okay. And let's do some offset. Get out of it by reversing it to the other end in inside. So click the OK button on the offset entities to get out of the box. Now let's do some pictures and extruded boss. Let's go on the other side, and maybe that is the direction is on the other side, but it was supposed to be 0.5. Let's try 0.5 as the length of extruded. Yep, it will be like that, but we need to have it drop it on the outward side. So let's try the outside word. Let's do that one at the 2 inch and click OK for the boss extrude dialog box to be get out of it. Okay, let's do some jumper. It's a short video that I'm making right now. Let's see this one. Let's put 0.1. Let's try 0.1. What, an inch? Oh, that's a little bit bigger. So 0.05. Okay, let's check it out. Yep, looks like let's move it up and down again. Instead of that one, it will be 3. So that's 0.03. Okay, that is good. And let's do some insert of the thread on this one. Oops. Let's do some thread, inside thread. Oh, because it's not a straight one. So let's do some, get out of there first, and let's do some sketch on this one. Let's try the sketch, and then click this one, and then convert to entities. So I'll have to extrude that one, extrude cut, so it will be a straight line. It doesn't work on the if it is if the pipe is not on a straight way. So cut it. Now its pipe is threaded. It will be threaded like that. So let's do the insert and the picture and thread. Let's do the thread. You see that it goes through because it's not it was in a trapezoid way or a panel stop. So it was threaded now. So there will be thread inside, but we need to have it. Let's extrude this one to So more than 0.5. So let's extrude it to 0.75. Okay. And then the extruded will be on to the next. Okay. And also the thread itself will be more than what it's supposed to be. That's 75. Let's put it at 75. Now it's been threaded like that. So I want to cut this one on a, I'm gonna make first, let me see, a plane, and then sketch on the plane. So let's do that. Okay. And then let's try to cut it from, so the other way around that I need to do it is remove this one, and this one will be that way. Wrong way. So let's do the other way around. So move that entity to here, to here. Okay, let's measure it from here to here. It's 27, and here to here, 27, and then here. Let's just do it like that. And now let's check it out. So it will be cut, extruded cut on that side. And all. So it will be cut like that. So let's cut it out. So now you can see that it was cut in a way that I wanted to. So let's check it out. So that's the threaded OLED where you put this it sits onto the pipe that has a hole in it, and then welded it on the pipe. So that's it. And let's then put something, a material that is metal. So let's put it as, let's say, galvanized, brass galvanized, or a shining galvanized. Oh, that's a little bit, let's put it as a brass. Let's change it again. Nickel, platinums, it's still that is poly steel. Okay. Now it's more better. It's a galvanized thing. Okay. And save to 202 exercise. Okay, I'll do some SolidWorks Visualize Professional open, and open that number, exercise 202. Let's wait for opening it. Let's check it out. Oh, that is cool. It's shiny. Let's check it out. So let's do some rendering. If it doesn't work, I mean, it's a past rendering exercise 202, and then it's on 202 thumbnail, select JPEG render 2000 by 1600, start rendering. Sorry for that. Again, another one, and then bigger so it can be smaller. That's the render itself. Thank you. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe so I can put more drawings and SolidWorks tutorials for you. And thank you very much for watching my tutorial today. Have a nice day.